For all the DIY lovers out there, Wolfcraft is a name of reliability and longevity. That's why we have made a list of the best tools from them that bring the utmost precision, from scrapers to staplers. Let's check out these awesome Wolfcraft tools you'll definitely want to grab for your next job. Sanding drywall or prepping surfaces got you worn out? The Wolfcraft Handheld Sander is here to make it a breeze. Designed for 115 by 280 millimeter sandpaper and grit cloths, this sander is perfect for plasterboard, wood, or other surfaces. Its two-component handle with a soft grip zone feels great in your hand, letting you sand for hours without fatigue. The serrated clamping holders lock the sandpaper securely so it stays put even during heavy-duty jobs. Compatible with all standard 115 by 280 millimeter sandpaper, it's super versatile. Pair it with the optional telescopic handle, and you can tackle ceilings or sloped surfaces without a ladder. Whether you're smoothing out drywall or refinishing furniture, this sander delivers comfort and precision every time. If cutting laminate sounds like a big hassle, the next tool is for you. Wolfcraft VLC 1000 Vinyl Laminate Cutter. This pro-grade tool slices through boards up to 14 millimeters thick and 370 millimeters wide with a 3-fold power transmission gear unit, making cuts feel effortless. The smooth blade with EDP coating prevents sticking and delivers clean, splinter-free cuts, even on boards with sound insulation. The patented return mechanism snaps the blade back after each cut, speeding up your workflow. Non-slip cushion feeding cutter bar serrations keep everything stable, while the adjustable 90 degrees limit stops fine-tunes angles for perfect cuts. From click vinyl to tiles, this cutter handles it all, making your flooring projects look sharp and professional. Drilling tricky angles or round pipes driving you nuts? The Wolfcraft Tecmobil mobile drill stand is your ticket to precision. This handy stand turns your power drill into a pro-grade tool for straight or angled drilling up to plus/minus 45 degrees. Its tiltable double guide bars and integrated V-groove hold pipes and workpieces securely, preventing slips. The dust extraction connector hooks up to standard vacuums for a cleaner workspace, and the adjustable depth stop ensures consistent holes every time. The base plate's centering mechanism is perfect for end-grain drilling. Having trouble filling joints or bonding materials? The Wolfcraft MG600 Caulking Gun might just be what you need. It is a beast when it comes to handling silicone, acrylic, or even thick adhesives like injection mortar. With 250 kilograms of contact pressure, it smoothly pushes out material from standard 310 milliliter cartridges without any hiccups. Built with tough fiberglass reinforced plastic and a hardened push bar, it is made to last. The handle is super comfortable too, so your hand will not hate you after a long job. Plus, the powerful feed mechanism gives you great control, meaning you will not be wrestling with it. Swapping out cartridges? Totally tool-free and fast. So from next time, if you are sealing joints, bonding battens, or tackling heavy-duty work, take this caulking gun with you and get the job done in the blink of an eye. Tired of guessing angles and getting uneven cuts when working on flooring or furniture? Well, the Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge is here to take the stress out of the job. This handy little tool makes it super easy to measure and transfer angles, or even mark parallel lines with precision. And thanks to its smart folding stop that locks onto your workpiece, you can mark without worrying about it slipping around. Plus, the scale on the moving leg helps you get consistent parallel markings every time. Perfect for laying laminate or building cabinets. It is lightweight, durable, and really user-friendly, which makes it a great pick for both carpenters and DIY enthusiasts. So whether you're sketching out a custom shelf or laying down perfect flooring lines, this tool helps you cut the confusion and nail the angles every time. Need a clamp that's easy to use but still packs a punch? The Wolfcraft EZ one-hand clamps are your budget-friendly solution. These EU-made clamps deliver 90 kilograms of clamping pressure, perfect for woodworking, furniture assembly, or DIY projects. The ergonomic handle fits comfortably in your hand, making clamping and releasing a breeze, even in tight spots. Made with specially hardened steel rails and fiberglass reinforced plastic, they're tough enough for regular use, but simple enough for beginners. These clamps help you in every related job possible. Gluing boards or securing workpieces, they just hold tight without slipping. Affordable, reliable, and built to Wolfcraft's high standards, they're a must for any toolbox. Got an SDS hammer drill, but need to use standard bits? The Wolfcraft SDS Plus drill chuck set is your fix. This starter kit adapts round shaft bits to SDS Plus hammer drills with a 1.5 13 mm chuck and female thread for reversing drills. The impact-resistant design handles tough jobs, and the included chuck key makes bit changes quick and easy. At an affordable price, it's perfect for DIYers or pros who need versatility without buying a new drill. From masonry to wood, this adapter lets you tackle a range of tasks with your existing hammer drill, saving time and hassle on the job site. Struggling to get clean, angled cuts on plasterboard? You're not alone, but the Wolfcraft Tsquare with parallel cutter is here to make it way easier. It cleverly combines a Tsquare and a cutter, letting you make accurate angular and parallel cuts up to 1,000 millimeters long and 970 millimeters wide. Built with corrosion-resistant anodized aluminum, it's tough enough for regular use. And the 0 to 180-degree angle adjustment means your joints fit perfectly. No more wasting time on sanding or patching. Forget all the tedious measuring and second-guessing. Just lock it in, mark it out, and cut. Whether you're installing drywall or doing a full-on renovation, this tool brings speed, precision, and a whole lot less frustration to the job. It's like having a blueprint for every cut right in your hands. When scraping paint or grime off delicate surfaces gets you worried about scratches, the Wolfcraft Scraper tool is your go-to option. This tool is just awesome for cleaning glass, ceramic, or plastic without damage. Its metal-reinforced plastic casing and ergonomic soft grip make it comfy for long sessions, while the robust metal blade guide ensures durability. Compatible with all standard 38mm scraper blades, it's versatile for removing varnish, stickers, or dirt. The tool-free blade change system saves time, and the sturdy design handles tough jobs with ease. So if you're cleaning tiles, stovetops, or windows, this scraper delivers pro-level results while keeping surfaces pristine. It's a must-have for any cleanup task. Wrapping up, guys. But before that, we have the Tacocraft's 7 stapler set from Wolfcraft. This robust metal stapler fires type 0, 53 staples from 4 to 14 millimeters. Perfect for upholstery, insulation, or decor projects. The adjustable impact power lets you dial in the right force, and the hinged magazine makes reloading fast and easy. Its integrated staple lift clears jams in seconds, keeping your workflow smooth. Lightweight yet powerful, it's built for precision and durability, even after thousands of staples. No matter you're reupholstering the furniture or securing foil in renovations, this stapler gets the job done with pro-grade reliability. So that's our rundown of the best Wolfcraft tools for next-level jobs. Got a favorite? Drop a comment, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell to catch more tool reviews. See you on the next job.